Intelligence. Intelligence is the ability to gain knowledge and understanding using our thoughts, experiences, and senses. When someone translates understanding into action, we call them intelligent. Human intelligence is the intellectual power of humans. It gives them the cognitive abilities to learn, form concepts, understand, and act. Using these abilities, they can study patterns and ideas, plan and solve problems, and even use language to communicate. Features of human intelligence. Humans are the most intelligent living body on planet Earth. Some of the key features of human intelligence are: humans can interpret incomplete data. Humans can make sense from contradictory data. Humans can analyze and refine uncertain data. Humans can learn from mistakes.